Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to become a team leader in Royal Match. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so basically there's only really two real ways how to do this. So the first way is by the creator of your team assigned you team leader. So that's really the only way you can do it if you already are inside of a team. So team leaders can approve or reject the join request, can change team settings, so you name description type, kick inactive players, and promote others if the feature is available. So yeah, basically you just gotta message your team or team leader and ask them to be team leader. But the other way is to do this is by leaving your current team and then creating your own team. So to do this, you got to go ahead, click on a team info, and then click on to leave, click yes, click leave again. Yes, it should kick me out. Yep, there we go. Then from here, inside of teams, go ahead and click on create, and now choose your team logo, name, description. You can change your settings here and create for 100 coins. So I'm just going to do required level. It can be reach level 50 to increase, so we need to keep that. Required crown, we've got to get to enter Royal League to increase required crown. So just simply create for 100 coins. You're going to have team info here. So if I go into here, you can see who's in your side and you are the team leader, and it will say leader here under your name. So yeah, that's basically only two real ways how to become a team leader in Royal Match.